Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In the last class, we have learned about simplification of real numbers from exercise 1.5. Today, I am going to start from question number 3. In question number 3, first of all of you open your textbook, page number 24. Question number 3, it is given here, recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter, say D. That is, pi is equal to C by D, and this seems to be contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? ये क्या हो गया ना? Because pi is equal to C by D. According to this question number 3, pi is equal to C by D. C means circumference, D means diameter. इससे पता चलता है C by D P by Q फॉर्म है, तो pi तो rational हो गया. But as we know that pi is not a rational number. Pi is what? Irrational number. So what is the contradiction here? We have to resolve this one. So for this, here pi is equal to C by D, as I told you already, and according to this, it is clear that pi is rational, but we know that pi is irrational. Actually, to find out circumference and diameter, we need to use scale or any other device. But when you use scale or any other device, you will get the approximate value of C only. You will not get the appropriate value. Only approximate value of C and D as rational. Okay? If C and D are approximate value, that means we will not get the exact value. So that is why pi is irrational. Okay? So we can write the answer like this. There is no contradiction. When we measure a length with a scale or any other device, we only get an approximate value. So we may not realize that C or D is irrational. This means that if you are going to find the circumference and diameter by using a scale or device, you will get the approximate rational value. That is why we can see C by D like this way. But we will not get the exact value. So we may not realize what I have written. So we may not realize that C or D is irrational. Because we will not get the approximate value, appropriate value, only approximate value. And we never realize that either C or D is what? Irrational number. That is why C and D are irrational number, then pi is also irrational number. So you understood the contradiction? Okay, next question. Now, question number 4. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. See, already you have represent root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, the spiral on the number line. Now you are getting a decimal under root, terminating decimal. So how to represent? Not only for root 9.3, for any time like for any terminating like 4.3, 4.6, 4.9. So we can say root x. How to represent root x on a number line? See here, especially it is given root 9.3. If you understand this one, then others you can solve easily. So here, first of all, we have to draw a number line, or not number line, we have to draw a line segment 9.3. Using your scale and pencil, draw a line segment. First of all, you have to draw a line segment, okay? Try to understand using your scale 9.3 should be how much? 9.3. Suppose this is 9.3. Okay? All of you understood? Now, this is BC. Extend CD as 1 unit. Here, CD is 1 unit. Now, find the midpoint of BD. Find the midpoint of BD. BD. How to find the midpoint? Do you know? You have to draw a perpendicular bisector by using your scale. Using your pencil and compass. If you take the radius more than half of this line segment and draw an arc. See, I am not using compass. Please try to use compass. Okay, because I don't have, right now I don't have compass, because you need big compass. You know that already, you have seen during your construction period. So that is available in the school. Now I am at home, you know. So it's not possible to use. So you can do by your compass easily. You have to take the radius more than half of BD and draw an arc. Similarly, from DS center, give another arc. Then you have to take it down like this. After this, you can see, if you draw this line segment, you will get the midpoint exactly. Suppose the name of the midpoint is M. Okay? Suppose the name of the midpoint is what? M. Now, BMS radius, draw a semicircle. BMS radius, draw a semicircle. Okay? Try to get the steps clearly. Now, BMS is very, very easy. BMS radius, draw a semicircle. After drawing a semicircle, you have to draw a perpendicular to BD from point C. Perpendicular means this is the perpendicular. Suppose you can write any name like E. Okay, this is E. This is 90 degree. Okay. Now this C will represent root 9.3 on the number line. Means this C is root 9.3. Clear? Understood? Now we have to see where this point will intersect on this line. Now this BD is line segment, as we know that. So extend this BDS ray. BDS ray, suppose this is X. We are extending BDS ray till X. Now using your compass, CS radius, draw an arc. So then drawing like this, draw an arc using your compass. So this is the point. Okay? So this point is P. Okay? So at last, you can write here, because you got this point P, then P represent, therefore P represent root 9.3 on the number line. So here, what are the steps we have done? At first, we have to draw a line segment BC. Okay, first of all I have to draw BDS number line. Sorry, BDS line segment 9.3, BCS line segment BC 9.3. Then you have to extend on unit CDS 1 centimeter. You can extend it. After that, you have to find the midpoint SM, draw a perpendicular bisector. Then BMS radius, you have to draw a semicircle. Now you have to draw a perpendicular C to BD, and this C is root 9.3. And if you draw an arc, CS radius, it will intersect this ray after extending BD line segment as ray. and this P point will represent root 9.3 on the number line. Okay, so here I want to tell you something regarding this 9.3. See, this root 9.3 actually, what we got here, how to get this C is 9.3, there is a simplification. Okay, so I have not given the simplification. You can do like this way, no problem, because simplification I can give you, no problem. But if you don't want to write the simplification, it's okay, no problem. Okay, so you can draw this diagram and represent only like this, either root 9.3, root 5.3, root 6.3, you can do like this way. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, next question number 5, rationalize the denominators of the following. See here, question number 5, 1 by root 7. This is very important and very easy. Okay, so you have to rationalize the denominator. Here you can see denominator is root 7. It is the rational. You have to make it rational. Means you have to rationalize the denominator. That means you have to make the rational. Okay, which one? Denominator. You have to make denominator as rational. Okay, that is called rationalize the denominator. So here, how to rationalize? Very easy. What is the denominator? Root 7. So multiply by root 7 with numerator and denominator both. See, root 7 with numerator, root 7 with denominator. So it is balanced. If you cancel root 7 and 7, you will get that question again. Now root 7 ones are root 7, and root 7 you can write root 7 whole square. Clear? Then square root cancel. What is left? Root 7 and denominator is 7. Now see this one clearly. The denominator is 7 and it is what? Rational. Before it was irrational. So we made to rationalize. This is called rationalize the denominator. Next question. Question number 2. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So here you have to rationalize the denominator. Denominator is root 7 minus root 6. Here combination number you have. So in this case, you have to see this combination number consists what? Minus or plus? Minus. Okay. So you have to multiply by same combination, but it will be opposite side. Means root 7 minus root 6. You have to multiply with denominator and numerator. Root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. It is balanced? Yes. Now with 1, if you multiply root 7 plus root 6, you will get back the same, root 7 plus root 6. And denominator will get root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. Yes. Next line, root 7 plus root 6. Now you have to multiply these two. So it is very easy to multiply, because you can see root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. It can be simplified by using identity a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b, that means what? A square minus b square. So you can write root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. Clear? Next, root 7 plus root 6. Square root cancel, what is left? 7. Square root cancel, what is left? Minus 6. Then root 7 plus root 6. 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So the final result is root 7 plus root 6. This is the final result. Clear? So I hope all of you understood. These are the very easy sums, and this is also important for your higher classes. Now as homework, please complete these questions. Question number 5, 3 and 4. This is your homework. Okay, I hope all of you understood the conception. You already understood that in between the class, actually my mobile fall down. So I pick up again, I have started the class. So sorry for the disturbance. Thank you. God bless you all.